Hi guys! So today it's Friday. So family day, family time. So nagyaya man si Kuya Tyler na we will go out somewhere. So we will go to Villaggio. Maglibot-libot lang guys. And we will have our dinner also there. Actually kagising lang namin. No? Gikan nag-nap. Kasi ganiha. We went to school sa amo ang community service. So after gikapoy, sumato na nga tulog, and then now we will go to Villaggio Mall. Of course, as expected, it's Friday, so daghan tao jud ron, no? Kay usually ang mga tao diri basta Friday naagi na siya outside. Nasa mall, sa park, pero since it's summer, so mostly naagi na siya sa malls.
So we will see kung anong makita natin doon.
Yes. Tada!
A simple celebration guys kasi just this morning na-receive namin ang notice from the school that Tyler will be receiving 2 awards. Congratulations na!
So, na ang amo ang uban food, guys. Pero, ang uban wala pa. Waiting pa. Okay.
Dumating na ang second order. Enjoy na!
Ito na sila.
Kasi yan.
Time up mo na lang.
Hmm?
Time up.
Kuya, how's your food tonight?
Masarap.
Sarap? Nag-enjoy ka? Basta fish. Yung mag-enjoy din na siya. How's your food tonight, man? Nag-enjoy ka?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Actually, na-try natin dito sa Pikas Branch. Ako lang maka-comment is mas okay dito sa Pikas na Branch.
Okay. The service really matters. Nagmamatter talaga ang service.
So, ayan guys. Kuha namin ang dinner. So, busog na. After ani, maglakaw-lakaw lang sa ako namin para tahili sa mong ika. Diba? Na-enjoy ni mo ang food?
Yes.
So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys.
Till next time.
Bye. God bless everyone.